Hello friends, this is Sunil from Kraft. Today we are going to learn techniques of how to draw a bird. There are varieties of birds, and today what I'll teach you is how to draw a simple bird for a beginners like children who are starting to draw, or else elders, whoever starting to draw something, and how do we start drawing a bird like with a simple shapes like circle and oval shape. How do we construct a bird? So let's do it. Hello friends. So today we will for children and who are beginning to draw. It's just to for them it is how to draw a bird or something like a shape of a bird, and some techniques which we use to draw a bird. So what we'll do is we'll start with a circle like this, kind of a oval shape, and then you can put this one more circle here, not oval one. This is a round small circle and big oval shape. You can start with this shape. This is the easiest for beginners, and you can this can be a beak and this can be a tail, right? It's very easy here, right? So like this, right? One curve and another curve like this. So this becomes a basic shape of a bird, very simple. I am just telling you for a beginner who is just starting. You can make a neck by connecting a small circle to a big circle like this, right? So this becomes it's like small beak you can do. So this is the simplest and easiest technique. You can take one here now for a wing, right? Here one shape, right? Now we'll do this one here for a tail. So this becomes a tail for us now here, and this is a part of that wing. This is a stomach of the bird, and now we can put a legs like this. So you can add details slowly, right? Like these kind of details, feather details like this, right? So it's up to you. All the details you can take a reference for this if you want, so that you'll get all the textures of the birds. You can refer. You can also shade little bit like this to just to give a dimension, and better if you refer from the original image, so you will have many detailing there. I'm just giving you one simple thing which is like easy for drawing. Similarly, like a pigeon or something, same thing, a circle here, just a basic structure of a thing. And now we'll take here a oval shape, right? So this becomes a beak here, right? We'll put a beak here, pigeon's beak. And now this neck from here, and then we'll take this line to connect this line, right? So this circle is for us to a guidance for the shape, right? Similarly, this head, right? So this will go like this, and then our pigeon is about to come up now like this. We have grayish pigeons here, white, right? So you can also, again, you just have a reference just for textures and all. You will have pigeon. When you have pigeon, you will have this textures, a beautiful texture like this, alternative dark and light. You understood? This is the oval shape, and on the top what we have done is we have put this circle here, which is a head, right? And again we are putting a eyes here, add little more details like this kind of things, which is a characteristic of a vision like this. Fill it, alternative boxes we are filling. So we'll take this one here. We will not only put white here, like little shade, we are not putting just white. Similarly, just to give a dimension to this, right? So this part will be a grayish and this part will be dark. So we will again stroke. You see my pencil stroke, the way I am drawing here, my lines, which will go according to the shape of a bird, like this, right? This, like this, right? So you keep on stroking like this, small strokes. Here I am showing this side here. You can look at here, this side, like this, these small strokes. So continue and join these strokes like this, right here. So keep on drawing like this. So this adds a dimension. So because the neck is going like this, right? So again this side, these are the strokes like this, these kind of strokes. I'm just telling you a technique of shading also. Okay. So like this, round strokes. Because I am feeling the head is around here. So similarly, my stroke should go guide audience, or else the bird shape should come out. The way we sketch, the way we draw like this. So here is a neck, right? So we'll put little more strokes here, so that neck and the head will be different here. You understood? There is a difference here now, like this. So slowly, gradually we will develop this like this. So I am overlapping same small strokes which I told you initially. So I am just taking those strokes only. I have also adjusted the shape of a bird here, if you see, right? So this I am taking here. Right? So again here I'll put little more dark here. So dark, light, dark. In previous episodes I told you how to get the dimensions. So dark, light, dark gives you a kind of a circular dimension. Similarly here, here again I am putting this kind of strokes to give a dimension which gives you sense of see this eyes here. I'm making little dark so that eye I'm giving an importance to that. It's all matter of a study. That's what you can refer. You can have a photograph or something of a bird so that you will study it more. I'm just telling you technique of a drawing, the way we actually shade, right? According to the shape of a bird, my strokes are going. My strokes of a pencil strokes are according to the bird, like this. So similarly here, little shade. So we are taking this here gradually. We'll adjust this. Right. So see, here this we cannot leave it just like a white. So what we'll do is we'll put a light shades here like this. So it's the lightest part of the bird, so we should understand, and then we should not shade much, just enough to give a sense of a dimension like this. A leg, a front leg, back leg. So this is divided by this body, right? So it is going behind automatically because this overlapped, right? If you see like this, I overlap this, so it becomes it went back behind. So legs, right? Once more, one more. You can, yeah, like this. So this is how we study. And now you can little more. I'm not doing much more details about here. So this is our final line here for that bird. Here. Right. So we can also give a small shade like this. Light. You should be dark here, this here dark, and then slowly in the edge of the shade you should be light. Like this, right? You understood? So it's a very simple. So you can a flying bird can be like this, or what do you call sparrow and all. This is a beak, right? And then we will take like this, right? This stroke, one simple stroke. This is helpful when you do drawings and and circle here. Okay, a simplest drawing, like when we draw these kind of things in a landscapes and all, right? Like this, and then a wing, a flying bird, right? You can convert this into like this. So this is the simplest, a line drawing. Again, I'll tell you, a beak, and then like this. Okay, circle like this. So this is just a drawing where you can draw some small birds and all. You can without. This is the study, and these are the landscape when we draw landscape and all. So we can use these kind of birds to show just very far some birds are flying and all. Okay, so sitting bird, flying birds. You can. This is a basic structure, right? Again, I'm telling you here, a circle, a oval shape, connect it here like this. A beak here and the tail. Simple, right? So practice this. It's very easy for a beginning. And legs here, right? Circle, any shape, like it can go like this, it can anywhere, right? So this bird you can practice more. Similarly, we can also have something called duck and all. Same, that's also same thing, right? But only thing is the neck is little bigger here, right? This one is here like this, big, beak, eyes, it's a simple thing, right? Like this. Like this kind of thing. So you can have this is simple again, because this is the structure, right? The circle here, once a oval shape, egg shape, and then this is a neck. To draw this, it's just simple. One circle like this, one oval shape, whatever distance you can put. Oval shape, one circle, right? A small circle. This is the line which connects these two, and these are the lines for a leg. So this becomes a this, right? So this is a beak, as you know, like this. Simple. For youngsters, it is very easy, right? This is this like this. This shape is very important. And now, right? So simple. So this is how we develop these kind of things. Whether if it is a sitting, it's a standing thing, same thing, a circle here, and then one oval shape here. If it is floating in the water or something, we will not draw there its legs. Don't draw that legs. So a beak here. Guys, this is very simple way I am telling you. So these kind of birds you can draw.